I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad, and this is our channel. Everyone, not everyone, but a few people were mentioned in the comments that there was a screeching sound coming from the fan, and Taylor, my wife, contacted Big Ass Fans, and they said they had her adjust the frequency of the VFD from, what was the hertz, 60 or
30 something up to 50 something.
so they increased the hertz. So that's a wavelength in a second. That's how many waves are in a second. So that's hertz. So now you have more wavelengths in a second, and therefore no screeching. I don't know what that has to do with screeching. But if anybody has a Big Ass Fan, and I think a couple people have mentioned theirs does the same thing. So call Big Ass Fans, ask them how to change the hertz to 60.
They'll have you get on the phone because yours might already be set to something different.
Okay. But that was pretty neat. So it might have been the instructions, but I never read them. Okay, so got it all set up. Got my plasma cutter set up. And I'm gonna run this down that like this. You know, really. All right, so everything from here over gets cut.
Woo!
Yeah, that's what I didn't want to do, but. Yeah, I didn't want to do that, but oh well. So now I need to cut that right there.
Will that hurt it?
No, I just didn't want to mess up my ruler,
Oh,
but
can we get you another one?
yeah.
That's gonna bother you, so we'll get you another one.
This one's been bent and beat up, and it was brand new when I got it. But oh well. Sacrificial ruler. So then the next thing I have to do is cut this side. And so that's the flange that I'm going to bend up. Kind of mess that up, but I'll sand it down and it'll be okay. It's not going to be seen. And so I'm going to bend that flange up, and I have to, oh, I also have to go in there and cut that. But right now I want to cut this. I'm going to use a piece, what I should have done earlier. Just a piece of scrap. But I just wanted to spend some money. told everybody that I was going to CNC this. Chad Norris cut.
Haha.
Haha. Haha. Ah. Also, I put the lamp on it. Beautiful. Use that piece on the side. Now I'm going to freehand this. Freehand that. Now we'll clean it up. Alright, let's see what that looks like. I mean, it's on the plane, it's okay. And it's not going to fit until I bend that. Okay, so I'm going to.
You can use your little.
I want to take it over to a break. But let's see.
A break?
Yeah, a metal brake. AC's got one. So but I'm impatient, so I'm going to do it.
Yeah, look at this.
So, I'll clean that up some, get my bend a little better there, and then I can start deciding where I want to mount all these guys. What you think?
Pretty cool.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Cool. All right, clean that up. Cool. I'm going to clean it up, try to get that bend better where it's more flush. and I'm gonna clean all the edges, and then I'll show you guys what I came up with.
Awesome.
Alright guys, I made a mess. Look at all the stuff that I have out. Plasma cutter and that sander, that desktop sander, came in really handy working with these big pieces. But yeah, got a super mess going here. And here's the final product. So I'm happy with it. You know, of course, you can always make it look better on a CNC, but I think I did a pretty good job. I probably should have taken it and used a brake, but I ended up taking a hammer and a chisel and just putting it here and hitting it with a ball peen hammer to get it to straighten out better. And this metal's pretty thick. It's 1050. It might have been an overkill, but I think it turned out pretty good. And so let's see how it fits. So there it is. So again, right there on the flange, I'm going to put 2 nut plates and put that in with some screws to hold it. And then I'm going to do idle clamps around the tubing here to hold it. And then I'm going to start laying out where the pieces are going to go, or where all the radios, boxes, and Garmin stuff is going to go. But I'm going to cut out another piece for over here at a poster board, because I'm still waiting on the idle clamps and nut plates. All that stuff's on order, so I'll tape it up probably, and then I can start setting things and seeing and tracing them out where I want them. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with that. And so on this side, it's going to be the vertical power unit, and I'm going to mount that upside down because I want to be able to get to that easily. So I'm going to mount it completely upside down. First, we were going to mount it on these pieces of angle iron and use idle clamps and hold it, but I really think that this plate, table, shelf, whatever you want to call it, is going to make things a lot easier. So there you go. I'll start making this other one and show it to you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad
and Chad.